Scotiabank requires two-step verification, 2SV, for security on both the mobile app and online banking. You cannot permanently disable 2SV on your account. However, you can deactivate it from a specific device, for example, old phone, or reset it. Here's how to deactivate 2SV on current device using the mobile app. Open the Scotiabank mobile banking app and log in. Tap More, bottom right, go to Settings, Sign in and Security, or Privacy and Security. Select two-step verification. Tap Manage two-step verification. Deactivate 2SV. Confirm your choice. To reset 2SV, for example, lost phone or new device, go to scotiabank.com on a web browser. Click Sign in. Need help signing in? Select I am not getting two-step verification, a 2SV, push notifications. Enter your username or card number and password. Follow the prompts, answer security questions, and verify via SMS if needed. Deactivate 2SV from the old device. Log into the app on your new device and reactivate 2SV.